So today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy enrichment. Enrichment doesn't have to be long and complicated. This one takes about 30 seconds. All you need is a box, make sure it hasn't got any sellotape or staples in, and some of their favourite treats. And all you have to do is cut a little hole out and put some of them in. It's a very basic form of puzzle feeder, and of course parrots are quite naturally destructive animals, so they're going to love tearing it apart. Put some of them in. And it's that simple, really. They're going to get quite entertained with that. Hopefully they'll have some fun. Birds are naturally quite timid of new things, so if you've never really done anything like this before, sometimes you could maybe put some treats on top just so they know that they can come over to it, maybe get a bit more familiar with it.